Hi, it's Mohammed from Lil Helper. It's Sunday evening at around 9:15, and I received an email from a potential customer of ours who basically was asking me like, how do I convince my husband to Cloth Diaper? And I've been asked this question before, where how do I convince my spouse, my partner, my husband, my wife one of them wants to Cloth Diaper and the other one doesn't want to Cloth Diaper. And how do you go about it? Now that is the toughest thing. Now if your cousin twice removed doesn't approve of you Cloth Diapering, who cares, right? They are not part of your process. You don't see them every day. Doesn't matter. Not everybody has to be on board with all the decisions that you take in your life. But this is very different. If your husband or your wife or your partner is not on board, that process of Cloth Diapering becomes difficult. And not only Cloth Diapering, it could be literally anything. It could be anything. It could be a change in diet or buying a house or whatever. It could be the smallest of decisions, biggest of decisions, and really Cloth Diapering as a whole, or anything within that realm of parenting is not worth the trouble. So convince them, surely try your best. But in the absence that you can't convince them or you can't bring them even 70-80% on board, don't do it with saying, you know what, I'm going to do it regardless of you're on board or no, because it's not worth the strife. It's not worth the anguish. It's really not worth it. Like I hope to God that you can Cloth Diaper and all of that. You'll remain unnamed, dear question asker, but it's not worth the anguish. So you try and convince them. Maybe give me a call. Maybe I can talk to them and I can answer, because most of their objections to not Cloth Diaper are because they have doubts that are not clear. They have these misconceptions or doubts or whatever they have, and they probably think that they can't ask anybody or who's going to answer these. Maybe you can ask them to call me. You have my phone number 647-885-4642. Give me a call anytime or leave me a message and I'll call you back. So maybe they have questions and I can answer those questions or those doubts, those concerns, and maybe then it becomes easier for them to say, okay, you know what, hey Dad, I thought this Cloth Diapers were so and so, but it seems that they are not that. Maybe that will convince them. But if in the absence of that, I don't want you to go through that strife and say, you know what, I'm going to do it hell or high water, and let's see what's going to happen with that. This reminds me of this incident that happened last summer. I got a call on a weekend on my cell phone from this customer. The husband was calling me saying that, oh, we've had your diapers for like more than a year, and I told my wife that we don't want to Cloth Diaper and this and that, and she still did it, and now they're not working out for us. And I'm like, okay, sit down, they're not working out for you, so can I help you solve what's going on? No, like he was like, I don't want to. I don't want them to work for me now. I'm tired. I don't want to do anything. I just want you to return our money. And I'm like, so did you buy it from our website? And he had bought it from a retailer of ours. So I'm like, maybe go and return it to a retailer, because that's how the accounting system, and it's just too much trouble. Like I can't refund you. Neither actually any Cloth Diapers that I used or washed, we can't refund it. There's no exchange, or unless and obviously there's a defect, then we do it eyes closed. But if you just change your mind about it, I can't do anything about it. Like I told him, put it out and like sell it. And like, oh, he's like, I don't want to sell it. And he was basically, this was him being angry at his wife, and I could see that. I could hear his wife kind of talking to him in the back, and I was hearing them on the phone. I could hear that. I could cut the tension with a knife. Like literally, there was so much tension, and it was possibly for other things, but it was the Cloth Diapers was bringing it to a thing. And I was like, really, I felt bad for the wife and the decision, and like, you know what, don't worry. Do you think will you have a better night's sleep if I take the diapers back? And he didn't understand the question. He's like, I sleep all right. Like, no, like, I mean, like, will you sleep better? Or like knowing that thing is out of your house, or you don't have to worry about Cloth Diapers or whatever. My question was basically, will it make things easier? And he said, yes, I just want them. I don't want the diapers anymore. So I know, just come to our warehouse, drop them, I'll give you the money. Because then in a way, I'm also buying my sleep. I would be awake at night thinking about, oh my God, this diapers, poop catchers are causing strife in somebody's home. So it is like it would stay on my head as well. So like, screw this. It's not worth it. These are just a couple of $100 here and there. How does it matter? So I came back. I wrote him a check. Obviously, a complete loss of everything because the retailer who bought from us and I'm refunding somebody else. The retailer doesn't have any record of it. I don't have any record of it. It doesn't matter. Again, this story was basically saying that if your husband, wife, spouse, partner is not on board, get them on board and then do it. Try one diaper. Get a trial diaper and show them, here, look, this is a diaper. You want to just try it out? See if it works for us. Just a trial diaper, and then maybe after that, maybe it convinces them. So the trial diaper is not a bad way of starting out, but don't go and invest a bunch of money in all of that. Okay, talk to you soon. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Our email is delight@lilhelper.ca, delight@lilhelper.ca. If you're watching this on Facebook, share and like, comment on over there. Tell us your thoughts on that, how you dealt with convincing your partner. And if you're on YouTube, please like and subscribe onto our channel. Thank you very much. This is Mohammed again from Lil Helper Cloth Diapers. The best cloth diapers in the market. They're pretty good. Talk to you soon. Bye.